welcome back. My mom is here and we are cooking more from Chetna's Healthy Indian. I hope you're liking the series so far. I have shared lots and lots of delicious, easy, simple recipes. And today we are making another one of those. So,
हम बना रहे हैं मशरूम राइस।
mushroom and red onion rice.
अब हम सबसे पहले 1.5 टेबलस्पून सनफ्लावर ऑयल लेंगे। उसके बाद इसमें हम ये रेड अनियन 2 प्याज लंबे लंबे बारीक काट के इसमें डाल देंगे।
You got that, 2 red onions finely chopped.
जब ये इनको लाल नहीं करना है, ये सिर्फ ट्रांसपेरेंट होने चाहिए, फिर इसमें आगे की प्रोसेस करेंगे।
So we're going to cook this not to golden brown it at all. We don't want any color. We just want it to be kind of softened, which only takes 4 to 5 minutes. And then we will add
300 ग्राम्स मशरूम ऐसे लंबे लंबे बारीक बारीक काट के प्याज के बाद उसमें डाल देंगे। मशरूम डालने के बाद हम इसमें 3-4 गार्लिक के क्लोव्स और 1 हरी मिर्च बारीक बारीक काट के डाल देंगे।
So 2-3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and 1 green chili, but that is totally up to you. A lot of you ask which green chili. Now you can use, depending on how much heat you want, you can use the thin ones, the fine, bigger ones, the red ones, depending on your choice of chili.
फिर जब हमारे मशरूम कुक हो जाएंगे 5 मिनट के बाद, फिर हम इसमें 2 टीस्पून सॉल्ट, 1 टीस्पून गरम मसाला एंड हाफ टीस्पून चिली पाउडर।
So once they have cooked, which is going to take around 5 minutes on high heat, you can cook it on high heat or cover and cook it as well, and then the spices that she's just said. For the rice, you can use any leftover rice. We need 900 grams of cooked rice. Add it into the mushroom mix with a big handful of fresh coriander leaves. Oh, this smells so good, doesn't it? This is good enough for up to 4 people. There you go. And it's time to taste. Oh my God.
Very, very, very nice.
She's right. Because this is, just the flavors, and I have only used garam masala, na? Only आपने garam masala डाला,
नमक मिर्च और गरम मसाला।
that's it. Just salt, chili, and garam masala. But the flavor of the red onion, if you can get red onion for this one, it does add, but obviously white onion is fine. But the mushroom and just so good, and you don't need anything with it. Absolutely nothing. It's complete meal on its own, and the coriander does add to the lovely, lovely flavor. Oh, it's so good. Please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe, and see you next week with another recipe. Please leave us a comment if you want to see anything specific. Oh, so nice.